Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a few things off a vehicle. Today we have a Subaru Impreza, which you can see here. It's 2012. I'm going to show you how to remove your back bumper. In addition to that, we'll be able to remove our tail light once we get to that section after removing the bumper. I'm showing you how to remove the door panel as well inside the vehicle. While we're at it, we can show you how to remove this mirror, which will be very easy once that door panel is removed. Top of that, we'll show you how to remove your front bumper cover and your headlight. Let's get to it, guys. Start off with our door panel. So what we have here today is very few screws, which you can see I've already removed the tabs to get an idea of what I'm working with. Looks like we'll be removing a screw right there. Oops, sorry, my tab came loose. No big deal. Just pop it in here in case we don't lose it. Looks like we got another one right there as well, which we should be able to remove. Got a little clip removing tool right here in case we have any clips that we come across. There's a little tool to remove the door panel once we get to that, so we don't have to break anything. Electric screwdriver. You can use a handheld one too, whatever you feel comfortable with. I personally like this one. It's electric, it's faster. You got to be careful, that way you don't mess up the screws in any way. Brought to you by DeWalt and Snap-on. Let's get to it, guys. Right here. It also helps if your tips are magnetic. That way you can pick up the screws as soon as you unscrew them. Put this one right here in my pocket. Put it back. All right, now that we got both screws out, let's take a look behind the door panel to see what we're working with. Get an idea if we have to yank it. Give it some love. There we go. The perfect one. Just like that. They unclip from the door panel itself. It makes removing a lot more easier. Voila. Bring you behind the door. You can see right there. We're gonna have to remove these two screws to remove this door handle cover, which will release the door panel. Same with these plugs, window control buttons, rear view mirror control. There, they have a little clip. Sorry if you can't see it. Okay, the panel's now off the vehicle. Very easy stuff. I did have a little bit of trouble, but that's because I couldn't get some leverage in there. But you can see back here, these are the clips that you have to press in order for these to be released from their sockets. Very simple stuff, but a little bit of difficulty. Nothing we can't do. You just pop it right over. Let me flip this over so you guys can get an idea of what this looks like. Put it right here. You can see one goes there. The other one goes right in there, and this one goes right here, which was a very tight squeeze. Now while we're at it, let me show you how to remove this mirror, which should be very easy as well now that we have this available. Here we go. Try not to damage this as you'll be putting it back on there. Protect any electrical components, anything that's behind the door panel itself. You can see we got these two screws here, which will be about a 10 millimeter. Let's get our socket, let's get our wrench, and let's get going. All right, guys, it's all drawn. It is not these two screws right here. It is actually these screws that are tucked in. You can see one's right there. You see the other one is right there as well. Very tight squeeze. But we got a total of 3 screws. Take a look. Try to get another tool. Take a ratchet. 10mm socket. Let's do it. Folks, mirror. You see right here, we got the 3 screws that were missing. One right there, one right there. Had a little bit of trouble getting it stuck in there very nicely. That way you don't see any loose cables sitting around, jumping around like before. Now let's go ahead and slap this back in. Show you nice, dirty, flushing really nicely. Yeah. There we go. Now that we got all 3 of them back on, let's mount this puppy back on the door itself. Oh yeah. Now, when installing, you always gotta make sure that right in there goes over the door handle itself. See? Because it has a little hook. It's supposed to go like this. And it clips on. So it allows the door to stay stable, nice and straight. Beautiful. What we're gonna do is pop these clips. You see one right there. Pop it right into that little hole. This one came loose. Pop it out right away. Pop it back into its position. But other than that, let's do it. Be careful when moving these clips. They can easily break. Okay, popping them back in. Voila. Now, start popping the screws. Which one goes there? No, it's right on there. Let's do it. Get the last clip. That is how you remove a door panel and your driver's side outer mirror. Oh, oh, and then like bam, 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 and this whole thing.